Okay, so the support team on WPMUDEV has alerted me that this install has been migrated and is already good to go. So I'm coming over here and I'm going to show you how to launch this and add the domain. So here is the temp URL in the domains area under hosting. Hit add domain. You're going to add the domain in there. We're going to tag this. And then this setting, add DNS records. What it's going to do is it's going to pull in all of the DNS records that are live. So all of these should be pulled in to the space on the hub. So we're going to hit continue. And it is going to add all of this information here in the domain automatically, which is super nice because you don't have to actually copy and paste each one of these over. So as soon as this gets done, it'll say domain added successfully. You hit next and it will show you the records here. Let me refresh the screen. Okay, so just in case it did not add, we're going to hit import existing DNS records. And it found the SMTP. So we're going to import that. And so you see the MX at handled by smtp.google.com, priority 1. That will be for the mail. So what we can do is actually swap over the name servers, which will allow us to control all of the names here on WPMUDEV. So I'm going to take these right here, copy this, go over here, and we are actually going to change the name servers. Now, very important, before you do this, you need to make sure that all the name servers are copied over. So this right here was not copied because that's where the hosting's pointed. Name servers, CNAME, Google hosted, SOA. Yeah. So the only one that it really needs to have on here is that MX. So it's grabbing all the important ones that you need. So name servers don't get copied. These are just verification codes. So we can come over here and change the name servers to these name servers. So NS1, NS2, NS3, NS1, NS2, NS3. And we're going to hit save. And then once we hit save, continue and verify. And it's going to send a code to my cell phone. And I'm going to look here. Complete 2. And then once you verify your identity, it will say, all right, great, success. And you're going to see the new name servers entered in here. So what this means is when someone types in thegatheringvenues.com into a browser, it is going to say, let's go see where the name servers are. It's going to look at this and say, here's where all the records are. So it's going to then look over here to the hub, and it's going to see all the records here, where this is the hosting, this is the email, this is the hosting. And so when that gets pointed over, it will see all those. We are going to have this recheck the DNS, and it can go through and refresh that, propagate it correctly. So now we can come back to sites. We can look at the first one, and we can go to domains, and see that the DNS status, now we can also, it already said it was propagated, but we're going to recheck inside of here. We're also going to recheck this one so we get a check mark. And then I'm going to go live real quick before I show you. So now, see, we broke it. That's fine. Just come back here, take this, and we are going to refresh. It's generating a certificate for the site. Once this is done generating, you will not get a privacy error. Okay, this is the page you get when the SSL is not set up yet. So if you go straight to here, you'll see that it's redirecting to the primary, which is fine. So once this SSL gets set up and is done, we'll be able to make this the primary domain, and then everything else will redirect to that, and you will not see this URL in the header. So as soon as that's done, I'll come back here and finish up. So now you'll see you have two green check marks. The certificate set up and the DNS is detected. You just come in here and you will click the three dots and hit set as primary. It will put that domain as the primary domain on the install. And now you have the primary as the gathering venues, and all should be well. So now if we go check online, this one should actually redirect to the other one. It's redirected too many times. That's okay. It will load. It's just getting through its final checks of swapping everything over. So that is how you launch the domain on here in the domain section and get a site live that is being loaded on GoDaddy over to WPMUDEV.